Good morning children, how are you all? Hope all you are fine. And for class 4 children, today it is day 15, the north, and in this already in the last classes we completed the lesson the northern and coastal plains. Yes, hope all you have understand, and today just it is a textual reading. Yes, now start reading and take pencil and keep the pencil where I am reading. Okay, now the northern and coastal plains. A flat and level land is called a plain. The plains of India include the northern plains and the coastal plains. Yes. So, what is a plain children? It is a flat and level land. Okay. Flat and level land is called as plain. The plains of India include northern plains and coastal plains. First, the northern plains. The northern plains lie towards the south of the Himalayas. They stretch from Punjab to Assam. Okay. So, northern plains lie towards the south of the Himalayas. It means down to the Himalayas. These northern plains were situated. They stretch from Punjab to Assam. If you from the state of Punjab to Assam, they were stretched. Okay. Many rivers which originate in the Himalayas flow through the northern plains. These rivers carry water throughout the year. They also bring with them broken pieces of rocks and silt, sand and silt. Yes. So, this river mostly rivers are whatever the rivers originated from the Himalayas will flow through the northern plains. So, these rivers carry water throughout the year. They also bring with them broken pieces of rocks and silt. Silt is nothing but as it is one of material like the fine silt deposited by the rivers is called alluvium. So, we also call silt as alluvium. It means it helps the fields to grow crops and it makes the fields fertile. Yes. Next, it is fertile and very good for crops. It is fertile and very good for crops. Okay. Next, the area watered by a river and its tributaries is called its basin. Three rivers, Sutlej, Ganga and Brahmaputra, and their tributaries have formed the northern plains. Okay. So, the area watered by a river and its tributaries is called, we call that place as a basin. Yes. Three rivers, Sutlej, Ganga and Brahmaputra, and their tributaries have formed the northern plains. Next, the Sutlej river basin. River Sutlej originates in Tibet. Okay. So, what is tributary children? A smaller river. If you see this picture, you will be understanding. A smaller river that flows into a bigger river is the tributary of the bigger river. Yes. Next, river Sutlej originates in Tibet. Beas is, turn the page children, Beas is its main tributary. Yes. Punjab and Haryana are part of the Sutlej river basin. The Bhakra dam built across river Sutlej generates electricity and provides water for irrigation. So, if you see this picture, whatever the highlighted area is a northern plains. Here it was highlighted with green color, right. So, this is called to be as northern plains. Okay. Himalayas or down to the Himalayas, it means south to the Himalayas, northern plains were situated. Okay. Now, so the Bhakra dam, so in the river Sutlej river basin there is a Bhakra dam. They built a Bhakra dam, okay, built across river Sutlej, generates so this dam will generate electricity. It means it will give electricity and provides water for irrigation. Okay. Next, see here children. Next, the Ganga river basin. Next one is the Ganga river basin. River Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas. Yamuna is its main tributary. The Ganga and its tributaries flow through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. In West Bengal, the river splits into two branches. One branch enters Bangladesh and is called Padma. It joins Brahmaputra. The other branch flows through West Bengal and is called Hooghly. Okay. Next, If you see here the picture, a delta is a triangular shaped land formed by a river before it flows into the water. See here, if we see in this picture, we will be seeing all triangular shapes. Yes, so these triangular shapes are called to be as deltas. Okay, so these will form by a river before it flows into the sea. Before it flows into the sea, these deltas are going to form. Okay, now next one, the Brahmaputra river basin. Third one, the Brahmaputra river basin. River Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is called Sangopo. Okay, so the river Brahmaputra originates in Tibet. It is also called as Sangopo. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam. Before entering Bangladesh, the Brahmaputra and the Ganga rivers from the largest delta in the world before falling into the Bay of Bengal. This is the Sundarban Delta. So Sundarban Delta is the world's largest delta. Okay, so before falling into the Bay of Bengal, this is the Sundarban Delta. Okay, next, life in this region, life in this northern plains. How the life in this northern plains is, the states which are situated in northern plains are Punjab, Haryana, National Capital Territory of Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam lie in the northern plains. Farming is the main occupation. People grow rice, wheat and sugarcane. Okay, so farming is the main occupation, people living in this northern plains. Okay, and people grow rice, wheat and sugarcane. Most of the people in these areas will grow rice, wheat and sugarcane. Yes, next, Punjab. We'll see about Punjab. The farmers of Punjab use modern machines such as tractors and harvesters. People are fond of makki ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi. They celebrate Baisakhi and Lohri. They celebrate Baisakhi and Lohri. Bhangra and Gidda are popular folk dances. Bangla and Gidda are popular folk dances. Many tourists visit the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Many tourists visit the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Yes, now here in this Punjab, Punjab farmers will use tractors and harvesters. Harvesters are machines. They are also vehicle and machines which are used for harvesting. Yes, like next, Haryana, the state Haryana. Like the farmers of Punjab, the farmers of Haryana also use modern machines for farming. Same like Punjab people, Haryana people also will use modern machines. Okay, many people are engaged in cattle rearing and dairy farming. Okay, cattle rearing, many people in this Haryana are engaged with cattle rearing and dairy farming. Next, Faridabad and Gurugram have many industries such as information technology and automobiles. Okay, so Faridabad and Gurugram. So these are the two places in Haryana which has industries like information technology and automobiles. Okay, in the Gurugram and Faridabad we have these industries, information technology and automobiles. Okay, next, National Capital Territory of Delhi. It means it's a capital of India. Most people here work in offices. Many of them have business. Delhi has many famous monuments such as the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Humayun's tomb, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple and Akshardham Temple. Tourists from all over the world come to see these monuments. Tourists from all over the world come to see these monuments. Yes, next. So, Delhi is the capital of India. It has many historical places. In Delhi, there are many historical places such as Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, next Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple. So, all these are in Delhi. Yes, next Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is famous for guavas and mangoes. Uttar Pradesh is famous for guavas and mangoes. There are many sugar, textile, leather and chemical industries. Not only it is famous for guavas and mangoes, there are many sugar, textile, leather. There are many sugar, textile, leather and chemical industries. Okay, in Uttar Pradesh we have these industries: sugar, textile, leather and chemical. Next, the chikankari embroidery of Lucknow, silk saree of Varanasi and brassware of Moradabad are popular all over the world. If you see here two pictures, you will be seeing chikankari embroidery and Bagalpuri silk. Okay, this is the Bagalpuri silk saree and this is the chicken work, chikankari embroidery. Okay, next, popular all over the world. The Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years in Prayagraj. Yes, so Kumbh Mela, one of the festival, it is held every 12 years in Prayagraj. Yes, Agra, Varanasi and Lucknow are cities of tourist interest. Okay, these are the places in the Uttar Pradesh where the tourists will visit much. Next, Bihar. Bihar is famous for lychees. Okay, Bihar is famous for lychees. Bagalpur is a center of silk weaving. Okay, Bagalpur silk, we will say no, so that are famous in this Bihar. Litti choka and sattu paranta are popular dishes. Okay, litti chola and sattu paranta are the popular dishes. Chat is an important festival. Okay, so they used to celebrate Chat. It's an important festival of Biharis. Okay, most people speak Maithili and Bhojpuri. Most people will speak Maithili and Bhojpuri. Patna, Gaya and Rajgir are places of tourist interest. Okay, so Darjeeling, West Bengal. So Darjeeling is in West Bengal, yes, and Assam are famous for tea gardens. A large number of women work in tea gardens. Yes, next, West Bengal. Rice, jute and tea are the main crops grown. Darjeeling has many tea gardens. Jute mills are located along both banks of the Hooghly River. Fishing is an important occupation in the coastal region. So West Bengal is in the coastal region. Yes. So which sea is near to the West Bengal? Bay of Bengal. Yes, Bay of Bengal is near to this West Bengal. Okay. So here the fishing is the important occupation of the West Bengalis. Next, people speak Bangla. Here in Punjab people used to speak in Bangla. Next, Durga Puja is the most popular festival. Okay, Durga Puja is the most popular festival of West Bengals. Next, Bengalis. Next, Assam. Assam is famous for tea and silk. Petroleum and natural gas are found in Digboy. Many women wear Mekhela chador and blouse. Most people speak Assamese. Assamese. They celebrate Bihu. Okay, Assam people will celebrate the festival Bihu, and tea and silk are famous in this state Assam. Okay, petroleum and natural gases are found in Digobai. Okay, petroleum and natural gases are also found here. Okay, so till here open textbook and you learn all the spellings. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. We'll continue the same lesson.